Okay, in the previous class we already seen that the equipotential surfaces andre ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, and we already discussed whatever the properties it satisfied in case of equipotential surface. ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, equipotential surface ಅಂದ್ರೆ the potential is same everywhere in the equipotential surface and the electric field is always right angles to the equipotential surface, and there is no work or the work done is zero to move the charge from one point to the another point in case of equipotential surface. But how we can draw the equipotential surface for the different charge configurations? Adana nodana. For example, here we already told for the point charge. So for example, here only one charge is there, so it may be positive or negative. See, this is the positive charge I take. Okay, so for this charge, if I want to draw the equipotential surface, how we can draw that? So here we already know that if we can take the direction of these electric field lines like this. Okay, now this is the the electric field line like this in all the directions. So this is direction of the electric field line. So if you can draw the concentric circles like this, concentric circles, so that represent the equipotential surface. These concentric circles represent the equipotential surface. Observe carefully. Suppose here surface 1 having the potential V1, and it is a surface 2 having the potential V2, and it is a surface 3 having a potential V3. So this is a surface equipotential surface 1 V1, equipotential surface 2 V2, equipotential surface 3 V3. In this surface you can measure anywhere, the potential is same, so the work done to move charge in this surface is 0 like that. But here the potential is near, it is more, and compared to the if you can move away, the potential has to be decreases, so that we can say V1 is greater than V2 and V2 is greater than V3. V1 is greater than V2, V2 is greater than V3. So and here at each case you can observe here the direction of the electric field is right angles to the surface. Here also, here also, here also, like this. You can take any way, so we get the the equipotential surface is right angles to the direction of the electric field. See, you can take anywhere like this. So you can say it is a spherical equipotential surface. For this whatever the surface is there, so that we call it as a spherical equipotential surface. It is in the shape of spherical equipotential surface anta helabodu. Okay, so suppose for uniform electric field, ಈಗ ಏನಾದರೂ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಸಿ, ಫಾರ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಹೌ the lines is what? Parallel to each other like this. Uniform electric field, this parallelness indicates the uniform electric field. Okay. So for this, how these equipotential surface. So we know that the equipotential surface are the right angles to this electric field lines, so therefore you have to draw this equipotential surface like this. Now see, suppose this is the surface, equipotential surface like this. See, this surface is normal to these electric field lines, or right angles to these electric field lines. In the same way, we can draw the another one. So these are the equipotential surface for the uniform electric field. And whatever the potential, here it is having the potential V, and here also having the potential V. Why? Because this electric field is uniform everywhere. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, uniform. You can measure anywhere. Electric field is what? Uniform. So due to because of that, the potential is same everywhere. Whatever the equipotential surface you have taken, the potential is the same everywhere. You have to remember V, the potential on the equipotential surface, due to because of the uniform electric field. Okay, in the same way, suppose if I take a dipole, ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ನ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. We know that this electric dipole means what? Those are having the two charges, one is a positive and another is a negative charge for a dipole. For this dipole, so what is the electric field? Electric field, and what is the direction of electric field, and what is this equipotential surface? Okay, so dipole means what? One is having the positive and another is having the negative charge. For example, here it is a negative charge and here it is a positive charge. Okay, so how we can draw these a surface, this equipotential surface? Just you can draw the what? Concentric circles like this. So here, so we can draw the electric field lines to obtain the what this equipotential surface. For that we know that the electric field lines is from what? Positive to the negative like this. So these are electric field lines. These are what? Electric field lines. Like this. This indicates the what? Direction of the electric field. Direction of the electric field. Now whatever the surfaces we are going to draw, those are perpendicular to this field lines. We know that electric field is perpendicular or normal to the what? These surfaces, equipotential surface. Now we can draw that like this. Observe carefully here, whatever the electric field lines I am drawing. So here, compared to this side, here whatever the potential is there, that is less, because here the charge is near to each other. We can observe the a more potential in between this, compared to if you can move away here, what happens? The potential will be decreases due to because of decrease in the electric field is also less. So that's here, compared to this space here, the more space is there. Like this, in the same way, here also we can draw the field lines like this. Okay, so next like this, again like this. So what happens? The space as goes on increases on either side. And if you can measure at the middle, what is the a potential means? Potential is zero. We know that in the previous class we already done the derivation for that. The potential on the equatorial line, due to because of the dipole, that we get zero. That is, we get the V is equal to P cos theta. That we already know that V is equal to P cos theta by 4 pi x naught r square. So for this theta is equal to what? Pi by 2. So cos 90 is nothing but what? 0. So that's why potential is 0. Okay, in the same way, if you can take the two identical point charges, two identical point charges, if you can take on means how we can draw these equipotential surfaces. See, if you can take the two positive charges, here is a positive charge and here is a positive charge. How we can draw here? So in this case, the electric field lines is from what? repel each other when they comes to near to each other. Electric field lines will what happens? They repel each other like this. Electric field lines will repel each other and those are going outward like this. Therefore, the field lines when they comes here on this side, these are the electric field lines. Okay. See, repel each other means in that case the distance between these electric field lines is what? More. Therefore, the equipotential is also located like this. Now here the space is more. Like this. Compared to this side, here the space is more because they will repel each other and the potential will be less in that case. So these are the equipotential surfaces for the two identical charges, and this is the equipotential surface for the dipole or two opposite charges, and we are already seen the equipotential surface for the water, a point charge, and for uniform electric field. So this is the concept of equipotential surface. Suppose if we have the line charge, okay, if we have the line charge, in that case how we get the equipotential surface? Suppose see, note, if you have a line charge like this, in that case how we get the equipotential surface? See, these are the water line charges like this. Okay, in that case the electric field lines is in all the directions like this. At this point like this, electric field lines are in all the directions. Okay, so if you can take these points, electric field lines is in all the directions like this. So if you can join all these points, so what we get the equipotential surface like this. And if you can take here, we get like this. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ we get the equipotential surface. Observe carefully. We can join like this. What we get? We get the cylindrical. We can say for the line charge we get the cylindrical equipotential surface. ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ cylindrical equipotential surface ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. And for suppose the field lines, electric field lines are like this. These are what? Diverging. ಏನಾಗಿ ಡೈವರ್ಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಡೈವರ್ಜಿಂಗ್. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್? Diverging. In that case, how we can draw the equipotential surface? We can draw like this. This is the equipotential surfaces. And here it is V1 having the potential V1 and it is a V2. Here V1 is what? Greater than V2 because the space between these two electric field lines is what? Increased. V1 is more than V2. And for if the electric charges electric field lines are converging like this, so the electric field lines are like this. In that case what happens? Here the whatever the equipotential surface are there, those are like this. In that case it is V1 and it is V2. So here V1 is greater than V2. The potential V1 is greater than V2. So like this we get the equipotential surfaces for different shape of the whatever the electric field lines we get. And you have to remember, whatever the equipotential surface you have taken, it is an imaginary surface. Equipotential surface is the what? Imaginary surface. ಅದೊಂದು imaginary surface ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Just for our calculations you have taken this equipotential surface. ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ equipotential ಸರ್ಫೇಸನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ equipotential surface is the no work is done to move a charge from one point to the another point in the equipotential surface. Work done is 0. ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜನ್ನು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಿಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 0 ವರ್ಕನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್ angles to each other and potential is same or everywhere it is equal. So that is the concept of equipotential surface and their shapes for the different equipotential surfaces.